In this video we are talking about if XRP is going to the upside or if we see a massive move to lower levels. As you can see, we are on a weekly chart right now and we are seeing higher lows all the way. As you can see, we are on the weekly chart and we are seeing a bullish structure. We have all the way higher lows and higher highs. And right now we are at a very interesting price. As you can see, we are on the daily chart and we are between two very interesting zones. On the one hand, we have this big demand zone right here, which caused this move to the upside. And as we came into this demand zone again, we saw this bullish move to the upside. So we are clearly seeing a bullish power from this demand zone. And on the other hand, we have this supply zone right here, which caused the immense bearish trend to the downside. And as we came back into the supply zone, we also saw this move to the downside. And right now we are between two other interesting areas. On the one hand, we also have this demand zone right here, which caused this explosive move to the upside. And as we came back into this demand zone, we saw this reaction. And we have this small supply zone where we saw the reaction and the resistance as we came into the zone. So for me, there will be a massive move if we are breaking either this supply zone to the upside. Then I think the chance is very high that we are seeing much higher prices for XRP. Or if we are breaking this demand zone right here to the downside, I think that the chance that we are seeing much lower levels for XRP is very high. Especially because we are seeing this higher lows all the way. And if we are breaking this bullish structure to the downside, I think that we will see much lower levels for XRP. And as you can see, this range is built since August. And the longer a range is building, the more explosive will the breakout be. So I think that we will see a massive move either to the upside or to the downside. But now the question is, which move is more likely, the move to the upside or to the downside? I think the chance that we are going to the upside is very high because we saw this higher lows all the way, and that's a very bullish sign. And I think that this supply zone as well is not really strong because we saw reactions right here, but not very explosive moves that caused the break of structure to the downside. But as I'm always saying in my videos, it really depends also if Bitcoin is also going to the upside or to the downside, because when Bitcoin is moving into one direction, the chance that altcoins are going into the same direction is very high. But if anything interesting happens at XRP, I will make an update video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next updates on XRP. So all in all, I think this range right here is very important. And if we are breaking this range to one direction with a real body close on the daily or weekly chart, and if we find acceptance, I think that we will see a massive move from this side. So be careful and watch the chart what will happen. And if we are breaking to the upside, I think the next important resistance area is this supply zone right here, because we saw this move to the downside. And if we are breaking to the downside, this demand zone, I think that we will see a reaction right here in this zone. So this will be the next support area. So this was it for this video. Please write in the comments what do you think about XRP. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits in trading and see you in the next one.